Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do an Apple Watch review. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3 and this is the first time getting my hands on an actual product to unbox. So let me just hope you enjoy the video. So as soon as we open the box, we first see that it says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike, and then when we take that off you can see that the Apple Watch in all its glory is there. For now I'm going to put that aside and then we're going to go through the other stuff. As you can see, this is the 38mm Apple Watch, and the actual watch is space grey with a black band, and it's a collaboration between Apple and Nike, so you can of course see the Nike logo on the box and on the side of the box with the Apple Watch. The plug actually looks kind of weird. It's a weird compliment to give, but yeah, it looks kind of nice. The Apple charger comes, it's magnetic and it goes on the back of the watch, as with all the other Apple Watches. So that's pretty much standard as normal. Right now I tried to switch the watch on, but it says low battery warning, so I can't actually use the Apple Watch right now. As you can see, I've got two watches here. One is a 48mm for like the bigger wrist size, which is usually targeted towards men, and the 38mm, which is for smaller wrist size, which is targeted towards the women. I actually prefer the smaller wrist size. My wrists are really small, as you can probably see there, so 38mm is perfect for me. I haven't connected it to my iPhone yet, so that's why it's showing the connect to iPhone. And then once that's all done, if you in this process, you just need to connect it to your iPhone, get it close, and then set up whatever you need to set up. So that's the end of the unboxing. If you like the unboxing, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Tell me if you've got any Apple Watches or any tech like that. Tell me what you think of it actually, because I've heard kind of opposite reviews, some good, some bad. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Come on.